So today is day 2 of CTW Global Summit 2024.
And I'm spending some time, which is 15 minutes, with Shweta Soni today. My question to you is that how UAE government policies has helped you in outsourcing business? Is it very stringent? It is very comfortable? And have you seen any changes happening in last 5 years that they have come up with new policies for the pro services?
So UAE is land of the opportunity. So I am here from past 21 years in this city. So I have seen all the transformation from sand dunes to skyscrapers. From the last building, when I used to travel from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, the last building was World Trade Center.
Yes,
now
I've
we
seen
have
that.
Burj Khalifa. So UAE always believe in the growth. And I believe UAE is all about the quick moves. They adapt the things very quickly according to the demand. And I have heard somewhere that bring all your impossible to UAE and we will make it possible.
Right.
So UAE believes in that. And new rules and regulations, certainly in past 5 years there are lots of changes. I believe after COVID UAE become more digital. Most of the things are now digital. Less paperwork, quick, no long queues. So yeah, it's very smooth process. And if you wish to start your business in UAE, so government doesn't require your presence in the UAE. It's like, why don't you save time for your business?
Correct.
Why you have to be here? So if you have the right consulting firm with you, they can guide you properly. It can be done online. They can guide you for each and every step. There are many things which you need to, you have to understand during the process. So if you have the right consulting firm with you, they can make the entire process very smooth and hurdle less. So even in terms of the golden visa, earlier government used to give the golden visa only on the investment basis. Now,
But isn't this the similar right now, that only if you have a 2 million property you get a golden visa?
Yes.
Or if you have a salary of 35,000
that's
then?
where I am coming.
Okay.
So earlier government used to give the golden visa on the investment basis.
Okay.
Now they want to call all the talents to UAE, all the investor to UAE, all the business leader to UAE, entrepreneurs to UAE, startup to UAE. So they are giving this VIP pass to live and work in the UAE. So now we have the vast category because there was demand. So government accepted that, and now we can
So I'm
get
sending my golden visa application to you.
100%. We are happy to do that. So now we can do through investment basis,
Okay.
talent basis, salary
So talent
basis.
was already there. There was arts, there was doctor, there was... So has
Yeah.
there anything changed in that?
No, but
It's the same.
Process became more easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you're saying that now the processes have become more easier for golden
Yes,
visa.
that's
Okay.
correct.
So my next question to Shweta is that when it comes to UAE, the policies are not very stringent, and now the things are changing in terms of policies. But there is something that I think all the businesses suffer till now is getting leads, getting brands to be connected with, and I believe that CTW Global has made that change through the summit. What is your thought on that? That how CTW Global, this specially summit, which is in addition to, has made changes in your job, in your career, connecting with the brands and for your team?
So networking is certainly a key. So through the networking, you can connect with the people, and there you can build your trust. Rather than getting, I know on the social media you are getting the leads and all those things, but when you meet with the people in such events like CTW, so when you meet with the people, you can connect with them, they can understand you. And I still feel, I know this is AI world, but I still feel when you meet with the people, it makes a big difference. So in such events, if we are coming, we can certainly get a good referral, and people can discuss with you about your services. People will know you better rather than going on the Zoom or AI.
Yeah.
So it's always great to be part of such events, so that you can build the trust, transparency, and you can get the leads and referral.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Shweta, for being on the podcast today, and wish to see you in the Global Edition 3 as well.
Thank you so much.